When did Christopher Columbus arrive in America? In 1721, 1603, or 1492? 1492. Who is the author of The Great Gatsby? F. Scott Fitzgerald, Ernest Hemingway, or John Steinbeck? F. Scott Fitzgerald. Who directed the movie Jurassic Park? James Cameron, Steven Spielberg, or Christopher Nolan? Steven Spielberg. Which planet is called as Red Planet? Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Mars. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia, Buenos Aires, or Rio de Janeiro? Brasilia. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Saturn, or Jupiter? It's Jupiter. Which flag is this? Croatia, Greece, or Romania? It's the flag of Romania. What is the deepest depth of the ocean? 4 miles, 5.3 miles, or 6.8 miles? (6.8 miles). It's the Mariana Trench. Which one is not a cheese? Parmesan, focaccia, or Edam? It's focaccia, which is a type of bread. Who is the author of the famous painting The Scream? Edvard Munch, Vincent van Gogh, or Claude Monet? Edvard Munch. What is the highest peak in Africa? Kilimanjaro, Everest, or Mont Blanc? Kilimanjaro. Who invented the equation E equals to mc squared? Darwin, Einstein, or Descartes? Einstein. Which of these animals lives at night? Bat, panther, or mouse? Bat. What kind of fruit is it? Papaya, mango, or dragon fruit? Yes, it's dragon fruit. What is the largest species of shark? Hammerhead shark, great white shark, or whale shark? Whale shark. It can reach up to 20 meters long and 34 tons in weight. Who painted The Starry Night? Picasso, Paul Gauguin, or Vincent van Gogh? Vincent van Gogh. What is the name of the ocean to the east of Africa? The Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Pacific Ocean? Indian Ocean. Who invented the microscope? Michael Faraday, Alan Turing, or Zacharias Janssen? Zacharias Janssen. Name this flag: Bulgaria, Hungary, or Italy? Hungary. What is the most abundant chemical element in the atmosphere? Nitrogen, oxygen, or carbon? Nitrogen. What gas can make balloons float? Oxygen, nitrogen, or helium? Helium. How many circles are there on the Olympic flag? 5, 6, or 7? 5. Where is Disney World? Texas, Nevada, or Florida? Florida. Which of the following is the hottest? The bolt of lightning, molten lava, or Earth's core? It's a bolt of lightning. It can heat the air it passes through to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.